I failed to record my workout. And this is something that I promised myself that I was gonna do every day, that I was not gonna fail to do, that I will make it a priority, that this thing I'll make it happen every day. But this week I failed. I did not record even one time. So I thought, oh, when I did not record, while I did not record the working out, I did work out. You understand? So I did work out, but I just did not work. I did not record, because when I would work out, I would be listening to like a podcast or listening to music, trying to amp me up. Because it was a week where, okay, I don't want to make any excuses, bro. I should have recorded. I did not record. Yeah, I should have recorded, but I did not record. So I thought I should make this video of me working out, and speaking to you guys, and like, speaking in real time. This video will not like be edited. I will not even touch it. I'm just gonna post it as it is. So yeah, today it's Wednesday, so it's back, and that's what I'm gonna be training today. I hope you guys trained today, or if you did not train today, I hope you are planning on training tomorrow, because you can't not train today and not train tomorrow. You understand? If you're not gonna set a day where you're not gonna train, make it one day a week. You cannot chill for like 2 days. Come on. I train every day. I train every day, and it's something I'm really proud of. I'm really proud of that. Uh, so I'm gonna be training my back today. I'm using these. These are I use this for like training. It's 2 half bricks. Those bricks they use to construct houses. You understand? So both of these things will make one block. So I would like do like these. I don't know what type of exercise this is, but I would do this. Yeah. And then I could try like this for the back. And then I could curl for the biceps. You understand? And what else? And then one more exercise for the back is the one I'm gonna do now. It's this one. So you hold this. I hold it with one hand, and then grab the chair. Make sure that it's for this part right there. I make sure that it's stretching my back. I stretch my back, and then it's 1 rep, 2. You understand? That's the exercise I'm about to do now. I was gonna wear shorts, but my shorts are dirty, bruh. I'm supposed to do laundry today, but I thought, let me start with this video, and it's the perfect weather. But this was more important to me, making sure that I shoot this video. So I'm just gonna roll up these. I'm just gonna roll up these track pants because I'm feeling hot, man. You understand? It's a hot day today. It's sunny day. It's the perfect day to work out. I hope you're also working out wherever you are. So let's get into it. First 10 reps. Not 10, in fact, I do 20. 20 reps. One. 9. 8. Almost fell off. 14. 15. think I'm gonna have to put a better placement for this mic. Just put it higher up. Yeah. Hope I did not fuck up the sound. Is it still on? Yeah, it's still on. Yeah, that's that. This exercise is hard. I know I make it look easy. I know I make it look simple. It's really hard. Woo. 20. You know the hard part about this exercise? It's not only just lifting. I have, because my dumbbell is basically a makeshift one, and it's not secured. The weights are not secured. So as I'm lifting, you have to sort of like make sure you're not wobbling your hand. You make sure that you're stable and you hold the thing straight. It makes it extra hard. Whew. Makes it extra difficult. But yeah, I'm about to do like 2 more sets of these, and in between these sets I'm gonna be talking to you guys, you understand? Yesterday I posted the video championship year. This is my year, guys. This is the year I fetch what is mine, what is destined to me, what was promised to me by God. You understand? The thing that he showed me in my mind, you understand, showed me in my thoughts, my dreams. Those were promises from God, that those are the things that I can achieve. You understand? My dreams. I'm telling you, man, this year is the year. You understand? And I said I want to feel like a champion. You understand? Someone different. You understand? And hey, man, it's growth. Trying to grow, bro. I really want to lose weight. I really want to lose weight and gain muscle, bro. Want to gain muscle. I have this guy I knew. We were in grade 12 together. Well, grade 10, grade 9, grade 12. I mean, grade 10, grade 11, grade 12. Those years, I knew him for those 3 years while I was in high school. He was a big guy for all those 3 years, bro. Went out of high school. I did not see him for like a year. Next time I saw him was like 2022 while scrolling on like Instagram. I saw this nigga was ripped, dog. Like I was like, shit, about that thing inspired me. I was like, damn, I need to get on that gen. And that was like 2023, bro. Now it's 2025. It took me a year to like finally get into it, you understand, and like set my mind into it and be deep into it. Growth. That's the phase I'm on right now. Just growth, bro. Hey, that nigga did it, dog, and he did it. He did it. When he did it, I'm like, I can do it too, bro. I can do it too, bro. And I met him like a few weeks back, like I think 2 weeks back or a week back. I saw him, face to face. He really lost weight, bro. He really looks good. And I told him, like, yo, dog, you really look good. You understand? You really look good. You inspire me. Ah, man. God bless him, bro. Let's get back to it. 20. It's too easy. It's too easy, nigga. 20. If you want me to continue making videos like this, tell me in the comment section, guys. Tell me there in the comments. Do you want me to continue making videos like this? Woo, my nigga. This shit is the trenches. It's the trenches. Having a great physical shape is, being in good physical shape is the most important thing for me this year. It's something I've never had. Just to feel good in your own body. To not be insecure. And feel good in your own body, you know? That's something I never had, bro. I don't even remember one time having it. I just remember being close to it, but I let it slip through my fingers. I let it slip through my fingers, bro. But this year is the year, bro. This year is the year, bro. Oh, shit. I believe in doing something hard every day. And I've been failing to do cardio, you know? Like, I did not do any cardio last week. No cardio, zero cardio at all. And I'm really disappointed in myself because I believe in doing the hard thing, but I postponed in doing that hard thing. Because it's hard, you know, I really enjoy lifting weights. It's way easier, man. I enjoy it. The cardio, bruh. The cardio, man. I really have to find a way to enjoy it. Like, how can I enjoy cardio, bruh? It's not easy, bruh. Like, it's hard. When you're doing, because it's you fighting against your brain. Because it's your mind fighting against your body. You understand? And your body is like, hey, stop everything now. I'm tired. I'm quitting. But your mind has to tell your body to keep going and keep moving and keep doing the thing. Yo, it's hard. It's hard, dog. It's hard, but it's not impossible. It's not impossible. It's a hard thing to do, but it's not impossible. It can be done. I could do it. I can do it. And this week, next week, starting tomorrow, I'm filming again. I'm gonna post week 6. This was supposed to be week 6. Next week is week 7. You understand? Week 6 ends today. Because I'm gonna be posting this video today. You understand? So ish. And I should really, because about last week I did something I did not do the previous weeks. I recorded on one day and I recorded multiple videos and I posted one day. But I don't know, man. I think it made me lazy, that thing, bro. I think it made me lazy and it freed so much time in my day and I started to do like other things. And you know, I keep thinking about like adding gardening into my list, bro. I don't know, I'm so lazy to do the garden, but I should add it because I'm young, I'm fit. I have the strength that can go into the garden and put in the hard work there and produce some actual food. You understand? Not contributing to my family with money, but contributing with my actual strength. It will be like really good. It will be really good. But yeah, it's the demons I'm fighting every day to keep going, bruh. keep going, stay consistent, and stay consistent. And I think it's what everyone is fighting for these days. It's what everyone is. You can't quite get it. I've been filming for 15 minutes already. Damn, time flies, man. Time flies, and it's gonna take a while to upload this video. Because when you upload, because one of the videos I usually upload, like the longest is like 10 minutes. And that 10-minute video is gonna take like 3 hours or 2 hours to upload. The Wi-Fi that I use because there's a place around here and I connect to the Wi-Fi and upload with the Wi-Fi. But it's slow sometimes, you understand? It will take, bruh, it will take a whole lot of time uploading. But I guess I could just buy data, and because when I use my own data, not use the Wi-Fi, it's way quicker. I think I'm gonna have to get some data today to upload this video. 17, 18, 19, 20. Shit. 5. 8. 14. 15. 20. A nigga. That was the last rap. Set. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. It's really hard, man. It's really hard. Had to catch my breath. I think I'm gonna have to cut the video here because it's really gonna take a long time to upload. And we have load shedding here, and my battery might die while it's load shedding. So I think I'm gonna have to cut this video short. My back has come alive, bro. My back has come alive, dog, because of this nice workout I just had. So if you want me to continue making videos like this, comment below. Tell me if you want me to continue making videos like this, and I will keep making them at least once a week or twice a week. Or I might not even be working out. I might be at the garden, or I'm just chilling and I just want to have a young rant, you understand, and just speak, you understand, speak my mind, speak my soul to you guys. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.